Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a speech bubble comments on a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and click on this shape option, this down arrow, and select your more shape option. Here you will find this speech bubble option. Click here and click your position and place it as this is our comment now added here, and since this border thickness, this border line style, also you can add background color. Let this background color and see this. Now type here text or and see this text now showing here, and this is, and move it space bubble comment box here, and see this. In this way you can insert space bubble comment box on a PDF file, and also you can rotate it, you can make it transparent and so on. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.